In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Renault Magnum key fob. This is how the key looks. First, we open it, then we remove one of the covers. To do this, you need to use some force and press firmly. As you can see here, the cover fits tightly and has several clips around it. You basically need to work them loose so the cover pops off. Here you can see a few of these clips, 1, 2, 3, and on the other side of the key, there are more clips as well. Once the cover is removed, we can access the battery, which is a CR2032. To remove the battery, you need to release it from the clips. On one side, there are two larger retaining clips, and on the other side, there are smaller clips. If you pry the battery from the side with the smaller clips, the battery will pop out and you can remove it. This is how it looks without the battery. To install the new battery, insert it first on the side with the larger retaining clips, and then press it down gently until it clicks into place. The next step is to put the cover back on. Align it properly, press it down firmly, and make sure it clicks back into its original position. Now we can test the key to see if it works, and voila, the battery has been replaced. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.